Hello, welcome back to Beauty of Royalty. Today I will be doing a silk press on my client. I haven't seen her in quite some time, so I'm going to make sure I go ahead and take care of her today. First thing first, I'm going to go ahead and rinse all of the dirt out of her head before I even apply any shampoo. It's very important to make sure you run water through your hair to remove all of the dirt before adding the shampoo. I tend to sometimes have issues with my hot water, and right now I believe the water is super hot, so I'm trying to adjust the water to my client preference. Now, what I love most about this client is every time I see her, we have so much to catch up on. I just love having clients to where I'm able to have a conversation with them about life. And she's able to open up to me. I'm able to open up to her. And then we don't have to worry about anything leaving out of this salon. I will be showing you the shampoo that I will be using today. It is the Tea Tree Restoring Shampoo. I like this shampoo, and I will recommend you guys to try it out and see what you think about it. Be sure to leave all of the information of the products that I will be using today down below. If you are located in Las Vegas and is looking for a hairstylist, I advise you guys to follow me on my Instagram at Beauty of Royalty. Or you can go ahead and head over to my website at www.beautyofroyalty.com. Now, as you can see, my client hair is super long, so I'm going to be sure to make sure I get the shampoo all through her scalp and even on her actual hair. I have a lot of people that request my wash because they say I give amazing washes. If you're interested in trying me, I advise you guys to head over right now and subscribe to my YouTube channel and also book an appointment. While I am washing her hair, I'm gonna go ahead and just play some music, speed the video up just a quite bit, and you guys stay tuned. About that time, I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry her hair. I already sprayed the heat protection, as you guys seen already. I love this blow dryer. If you guys are wondering where I got it from, it was Amazon. I believe it's only $20 to $25. You guys go and check them out. Go ahead and blow dry my client hair, and I'll be right back to you guys. Done blow drying it, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it up into a bun, and this is the way I do my silk press. Everyone tends to do their silk presses in their own format, in their own method, in their own way, but today I will be showing you guys my method and what's easy for me and what works for me. I think that this is the only way you gonna open up to me. Don't talk too much to me. Stay tuned, and I'll be back after this. This is the outcome. I hope you guys love it. It came out so beautiful, so shiny, so bouncy. If you guys are located in Las Vegas, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you at the next video.